Are you planning a kitchen renovation? It's a huge investment, both financially and emotionally, right? You want a space that feels beautiful, functional, and timeless for years to come, not something that's going to look dated next year. Today, we're counting down the 5 timeless kitchen cabinet colors that will save you money, boost your home's resale value, and create a space you truly love. Number 5. Black cabinets make a big statement and scream luxury. They're like the anchor of your kitchen. They make everything else really stand out and pop. Black cabinets look amazing with materials like marble, brass, and wood because they create such a cool contrast. They work great in sleek modern kitchens and can even work in traditional styles if you use them carefully. Here's the smart way to use this color. In small kitchens, use black as an accent, or try two-tone designs, like black on the bottom cabinets and white on top, so you don't make the space feel too dark. In large kitchens, you can go all in with black as your main color for that dramatic wow factor. Best recommendations for black kitchens. Sherwin-Williams Black Magic delivers rich, dramatic color with excellent coverage and minimal primer needed. Benjamin Moore Jet Black offers true black without undertones, plus it's self-priming, which saves time and effort. Number 4 on our list. Nature-inspired hues, earthy cabinet colors, especially sage tones, create a calm, organic atmosphere in your kitchen. These tranquil shades bring a sense of grounding to your culinary space. There's actually a design trend called biophilic design that's all about bringing natural elements indoors to make you feel better, and sage cabinets are a perfect example. These earthy tones are perfect because they complement so many different styles. They look fantastic with wood and stone if you're going for a farmhouse or rustic vibe. But they also shine in clean, modern kitchens by adding just the right amount of gentle color. Plus, they work in any size space. Try these. Sherwin-Williams Sage Green and Benjamin Moore Saybrook Sage both give you that perfect, soft, natural look that's not too bold. If you want something a little deeper, try Bare Hidden Gem, which is a smoky jade color, is trendy right now, but will stick around for years. Taking the number 3 spot, Elegant Blues. Blue cabinets give you the best of both worlds. They're bold but still calming. Navy is especially great because it acts like a fancy neutral color. It adds richness and depth to your kitchen without looking too trendy or flashy. You can go 2 ways with this color family. Deep navy makes a strong statement and is awesome at hiding fingerprints and smudges, which is super practical if you have kids. Light blue or pastel shades keep things calm and make your space feel bigger and more open, making them perfect for coastal or Scandinavian styles. Deep blues work perfectly in modern kitchens when you want something bold but not crazy. You can choose Sherwin-Williams Naval that gives you that rich, fancy look. Or Benjamin Moore Hale Navy, a classic that never goes out of style. If this is helping you pick the perfect color, hit subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and helps me share more design tips like this. Number 2, sophisticated grays and greiges. Gray cabinets are having a huge moment right now, and it's easy to see why. Gray brings balance to your kitchen and makes it feel calm and stable. Plus, it works with pretty much any style you can think of. You've got tons of gray options to choose from light to dark shades. Here's a pro tip. Warm gray tones look way better than cool grays, which can feel outdated. And if you really want to be on trend, try greige. It's a mix of gray and beige that's become the go-to modern neutral. These gray cabinets look incredible in sleek modern kitchens, but they also work great if you're going for that farmhouse vibe. Repose Gray from Sherwin-Williams is super popular for good reason. It's the perfect neutral that works everywhere. Another great choice is Sherwin-Williams Knitting Needles. It gives you that warm, peaceful feeling that makes your kitchen a place you actually want to spend time in. And the number 1 most timeless cabinet color, classic whites and creams, the ultimate versatile canvas. White cabinets are popular for a good reason. They make your kitchen look bigger and brighter because white reflects light really well. But not all whites look the same. Pure white gives you that super clean modern look. Creamy white feels warmer and cozier, perfect if you want your kitchen to feel welcoming. Antique white, off-white, and ivory add a little character while still keeping things classic and elegant. Here's a pro tip. Most white paints actually have hidden undertones that only show up once they're on your cabinets. Always test your white paint in your actual kitchen lighting before committing. Here's the best part about white cabinets. They're incredibly adaptable. Small spaces appear more spacious, while larger kitchens get a clean backdrop that makes your counters and backsplash really pop. If you want something soft and warm, try Alabaster from Sherwin-Williams. Next up, Benjamin Moore White Dove. This is your foolproof choice that works everywhere. And for that warm but fresh vibe, BR Elegant Ivory hits the perfect spot. But choosing the color is just the beginning. To create a kitchen that lasts, you need these design tricks. Mix it up with two-tone cabinets. This is a total game changer. Combining two timeless colors adds depth and keeps your kitchen interesting. Pro trick: darker colors on bottom cabinets, lighter on top, make small spaces feel bigger. Once you've got your colors, focus on hardware, your kitchen's jewelry. Handles and knobs can completely transform your look, and they're cheap to swap later. Brass and gold feel luxurious, brushed nickel stays sleek, and matte black creates bold contrast. Next up, countertops and backsplash need to work together with your cabinets. Natural materials win here. Marble and quartz look amazing with neutrals. Wood counters add warmth, especially with lighter cabinets. Subway tiles remain the classic backsplash choice. But here's what kills most kitchens: bad lighting. Your lighting completely changes how cabinet colors appear. North-facing kitchens need warmer tones. Dark cabinets need plenty of light to avoid looking gloomy. Most important, test paint samples in your actual kitchen at different times of day. Colors look totally different in real life than on tiny paint chips. Finally, your cabinet finish matters more than you think. Matte gives you that expensive, classy look. Glossy creates modern vibes and reflects more light, plus it's easier to clean. Pro tip: in lighter kitchens, showing wood grain through paint adds visual interest without extra color. So there you have it, colors that'll never go out of style. Now, if you want to see what's trending right now, watch the next video.